Here's a look at our allergy report. Tree right now is at medium. Guys, it is cedar season. That is the #1 allergen coming in from the trees. But mold is also very heavy right now. And as I mentioned, it is cedar fever season, and we are in the thick of it. January, we're in that high. Eventually, it'll start to go down as we head into February and really go out in March. But you may notice around here, we don't have a lot of cedar trees. We have a few cedar species over in the piney woods north of Houston, but it's because it's being driven in from the hill country where they have the concentration of cedar plants here in Texas. You may notice the winds coming in from the west. These are just too light to really drive in good amounts of cedar, but that is going to change as a cold front comes in. Look at this, Wednesday afternoon, strong winds from the northwest driving in 30 to 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and in those wind gusts coming in from the northwest, we are going to see some more cedar pollen around here.